Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I want to unbox the iPhone 13, the pink one. I got it yesterday, but I wanted to wait to record in natural lighting. I'm in my car, as you can tell, at my house, so I already have it. I still have it boxed and everything. I just want to unbox it here, and then I bought some accessories as well for my phone and stuff. So I kind of want to open it and see how it is. A lot of people saying that it's not like pink. I love pink, but let's just see and check it out. I'm gonna take it out of this box first. I haven't even taken it out yet. Don't see my address now. Ooh, fancy. Right now I have the 11 Pro Max, and it's all messed up. It's all cracked. My 2-year-old cracked it really bad, and it was kind of, not cheap to get it fixed. So I was like, excuse to buy a new phone. So this is it. I have it out right here. So of course the packaging and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and rip it off. This is my favorite part. Wow. Okay, and then oh my god, oh fancy. Wow. Okay, I see what people were saying, that it's not pink, but you can tell it's pink here in the camera. Oh my god. Oh, that would have been bad. Okay. It's not pink, but it's pink. You can tell it's pink. I like it like on the sides. You can tell it's pink. Other side, pink. I love it. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm actually, 11 Pro Max. They didn't make this in the Pro Max, which is fine. I think I'm getting now used to the smaller phones because I just feel like the 11 Pro Max is still like a little bit big for my hands. Mind you, I'm 4'11", so yeah. So I'm just gonna peel this off. So satisfying. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on and everything. See how it is. Okay, so it's gonna turn on, and while that turns on, I'm going to go ahead and show you my case that I got from Amazon. I like the one that they have from Apple. It's like the pink sandy one, but honestly I'm not paying $50 for a case. I used to back then. I used to be obsessed with cases, but not no more. So I just got this one right here, this nice pink sandy one, and then I also got these blue light glasses for my work, because I work from home and I'm on the computer all day. So I got these blue light glasses. They're super, because there's a car behind it. They're super cute. It's a light pink, baby pink. Pink like kind of matches. And I know this has nothing to do with the iPhone 13, but I just wanted to show y'all. So here are the blue light glasses. I love these. I just love blue light glasses because honestly, like, I can't wear my regular glasses because I get headaches, my eyes hurt and stuff like that. But I love it, and like, you don't have to click it. You just put this band like that, and I feel like that's more easier. And I did also buy a pack of pens, but I just didn't show it because who cares. But I also got another box right here, and I'm pretty sure these are my screen protectors that I need from my phone. Oh my god. What the heck? I swear Amazon's tape is like always so difficult, unless I'm just really weak. I mean, that can be it too, but who knows. Okay. Oh, it is. Yeah. So it's with screen protectors. I got these off Amazon as well because I didn't want to pay like $30-$40 for one. So I got this one. It's on warranty as well, which is perfect. So if it cracks, I can just replace it. But yeah, I love it. My phone is setting up right now. Oh yeah, look, hello. That is too cute. So of course I have to go through the steps and stuff like that, but I'm gonna do that later because I gotta take my SIM card out of my phone right now that I'm recording on, so I'm just gonna wait on that. But yeah, it's so pretty and I love it. You can tell it's pink. Like, if like a lot of people are saying, like, if you take it out, like, it looks white. Like, honestly, I don't think so. I just think, like, when you take out the box, it looks pink. Like, that's just it. Like, pink. It's so beautiful though. I love it. It's pretty. It's a pretty pink. And then I'm gonna put the case on to see how it looks. But of course, I'm gonna put the screen protectors on first before I do that. Oh, that is so freaking cute. That is super cute. I like it. You can tell, you see the pink here. I was debating on getting a clear case, but then clear cases, I feel like, in my opinion, just get super duper dirty and I just don't like it. So but like I said, I wanted the one from Apple, but I was not gonna pay no $50 for it. So I was like, yeah, no, not happening. So I got this one on Amazon for $15, and then I got the screen protectors for, I think, $9.99 or something like that. I don't believe so. I don't remember. But I'm pretty sure it was that cheap because I was trying to look for the cheapest one with the good reviews. Because what happened with my 11 Pro Max, I had brought screen protectors from Amazon. I put them on, and a couple days later, my son just got my phone and slammed it to the floor, and my whole screen cracked, but the screen protector. Can you believe that? My God, I was annoyed. But it is what it is now. I got a new phone, so it's so cute. But yeah, I love it so much. It's so beautiful. Let's do a little, like, I think it's pretty. It's so beautiful. It's like a pretty pink. So pretty. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is technically, I guess, my first video. I do have like a ginger reveal that was like 2 years ago, but I wanted to film my reaction for the iPhone pink because I've been hearing a lot of like mixed reviews, and the only and like when I do watch YouTube videos, they're all like having a filter on it, and I don't really like that. The closest like real like color that I got like to seeing the actual phone before purchasing it was Angie Crystal and Diana Gonzalez. Go check them out. I love them. They're like the pink queens. But so that's the reason why I trust their opinion 100%. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. Let me know if you are getting the iPhone 13, the pink one, if you think it's too pink, or you think it's not too pink, or if you think it's just white. Let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time.